In this video, I'll detail how to disable guided access on iPhone on our editing. So if you're using iPhone and you turn on guided access on your iPhone and you're looking for a way to disable it, this video is going to quickly walk you through the step-by-step procedure on how you can easily disable or turn off guided access on iPhone on our editing. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The quickest and the only way to disable guided access on iPhone on our editing is to press the start button 3 consecutive times. So once you do that, you see a pop-up that says enter your passcode. Go ahead and type in your guided access passcode, and then you should see the guided access give you an option to either end guided access or resume. Then go ahead and click on end at the top left. Once you click on that, you should see guided access ended. Then you can now exit the spread. So you will be able to now use your phone normally. So that's how you can easily turn off or disable guided access on iPhone on our exiting. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.